Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. All right, I am excited today because I'm making meatloaf, but I am putting a twist on this meatloaf. It is a Mexican meatloaf. It is so festive, delicious, full of flavor. It's perfect for Cinco de Mayo. It's really good any time of year, especially if you love meatloaf. Now I've got all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below if you want to go check it out later. But you all know what time it is. It is time to get cooking. All right, so what I have here is 2 pounds of a lean ground beef. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of crushed tortilla chips. This is perfect whenever you have those crushed chips in the bottom of your bag. It's a great way to use them up. I have 3 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning. Now, you can use a packet of taco seasoning if you like. I have a half of an onion diced, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and I have 1 cup of frozen corn. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs, but I'm going to just beat them real quick before I add them to my mixture. Next, I'm going to grate an 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese. Now, you can use the already shredded cheddar cheese that comes in a bag if you like, but this cheese does melt a little bit better. All right, so I'm going to add about half of this cheese to the meat mixture, and the other half I'm going to put on top. And I'm going to put on some gloves, and then I'm just going to give this all a good mix. All right, then I'm just pouring my meatloaf mixture into a loaf pan. All right, then I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. All right, so I'm going to pour about half of this enchilada sauce over top and sprinkle with the remaining cheese. All right, so now back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the meatloaf is all done and it looks and smells delicious. Now it's time to slice into it. And I'm serving this alongside some Mexican rice, and I have a shorts video that shows you just how to make it. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.